Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in Binance account on PC. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. First of all, you will have to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you will have to simply search for Binance. Now, once you are able to find Binance, you will have to simply click on the first link and then you will be landed on Binance.com. Now over here you will see this login option, so you need to simply click on login and then you will be landed on this login page. Now over here you will have to provide your email address or your phone number, and then you need to press next. If you have created your account with the help of your Google account, your Apple account or Telegram, you can use these as well in order to log in into your account. Now if you have entered your email address and password and pressed next, on the next page you will have to simply provide your password associated with your Binance account, and this way you will be able to easily log in into your Binance account in your PC. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.